What's up guys, Loro Lego here with another mock showcase, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 miniature houses. Each of them are on a 16 by 16 base plate, and they're all at a different scale. So the first one is a beachside hut on stilts, of course, because in tropical areas there's usually a lot of flooding. There's some nice palm trees, I guess, around the house made out of little leaf elements. And I just tried to do my best with, making the landscape look natural and also doing that with the wave. There's also some stairs up and a little entrance. I like to make everything as detailed as possible, even on the tiniest scale. The next house is a little hillside modern house. I really like the way this one turned out. The colors, I just like how smooth it transitions. The colors are very solid. Yeah, it just turned out really well. Here's what it looks like inside. I did try to put some miniature furniture in there. There's a very simple chimney, but sometimes the simplest designs work the best. Anyways, that was that for that house. So the last house here is on a bit smaller of a scale, and I just tried to incorporate as many dramatic features as I possibly could. There's a lot of overhangs here, and a lot of different building techniques that I usually wouldn't use in my houses, which is good, stepping out of your comfort zone. There's also some miniature furniture in there as well, and there's also a little pool. So those were the 3 miniature houses. If you want to get the latest updates on all my videos, be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'll show my Instagram name at the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, this is Loro Lego saying peace out.